Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect the Zoho CRM to your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need a business plan, subscription, or higher. That being because, of course, you do need to use plugins. Now, as for the plugins, we can just go to the marketplace and search for a Zoho plugin. And that should be what we need. Now, if we just search in Zoho, as you can see, you have a couple of Zoho plugins that you can use. However, if I search for the CRM, it should also give me this here, or these here applications. As you can see, you have WooCommerce to Zoho CRM. I'm not exactly sure if they are officially Zoho materials. However, you can use them and they should be good. But yeah, you have this one, and you should install some of them to try them out. You also have this here option, which is from the official Zoho subscriptions. However, this is for Zoho subscriptions only. Not sure if it's going to work for the CRM, but you can try it all as well. Just go to the plugin, search for Zoho subscriptions, install now, and once it's installed, go and activate. Then go into Zoho subscriptions and go ahead and enter the domain from which you're accessing your Zoho subscriptions, and enter the connector key to be able to use it and connect it, and that should be it. And yeah, that is all there is to it. You can only use these integrations if you want to, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.